Good morning, everyone. Today is day one of trading at the new crib. I just moved into this place, really like it, and today is about to be the first trading day that we have. So hopefully we catch a W. No matter what happens, we're still gonna show up. Even if we don't place a trade, that's cool with me. Even if we take an L, that's still fine with me because I'm only taking high probability setups. But let me go ahead and show you guys the setup real quick. This is the office, so you just come right in here. And there's the setup that makes us money. So camera obviously goes there. That's the setup. Room's still a mess. I gotta finish unpacking and stuff. But yeah, this is it. It's simple. I'm gonna probably put the whiteboard on this wall over here. I'm gonna put like a little couch slash pull-out bed right there. TV's also going to go on that wall. So I'm very blessed to be here. I love this place. I'm very thankful. But that is the setup right there. That's where we go live at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and all try to make money in premium. Moving was a pain in the ass though. Like, if you guys could have seen the spot that I had to get the couch out from, like my last apartment, you'd be asking, how did you do that? Like, I don't know how. I really don't know how, but it was a pain in the ass, but we got it. We got it. Couch got a little messed up, I'm not gonna lie, which annoys the hell out of me, but we did it, and I do need to get a new couch eventually. Another thing, let me go downstairs and show you what happened here. All right, so here's the living room. It's nice, not bad at all. That's obviously the couch that was a pain in the ass. And then here is the TV setup. All right, check this out. Look what happened to the TV. TV broke. It is what it is. You can see it broke literally right here. I have this bad juju or whatever where every time I move, the TV gets broken. And honestly, we protected this one, had cushions and everything, and still just ended up broken. So it is what it is. I'm not really too annoyed about it because it was just an accident, but I mean, now I gotta go spend money on a new TV, but TVs are fairly cheap. I mean, these Roku TVs, which I like, are like $278, something like that for a 65-inch. So really not a bad deal at all. But still waiting for the dining room chairs to come in. Got a few things I got to unpack. Honestly, most of the stuff that's down here that's ready to be unpacked is my stuff. I've just been slacking a little bit on the unpacking. But yeah, this is a nice place, nicer neighborhood. So I'm really excited to be here. Got the office. And yeah, it's gonna be nice, but I do have to go ahead and go live with the team in about 5 minutes, so you're gonna see a few little clips from there, and let's see if we catch a trade. M1, M15, M5, and I would take shorts from here, like I mentioned earlier. We still have plenty of time. 10 o'clock volume might be coming in right here. Like right now, our last 5 trades we've taken, we've won. So right now we're on like a 5-trade winning streak. With the way this is looking, if this market can keep this up for the week, I'm interested in shorts. We have our main target set out that daily and this weekly. It's looking like we're gonna wanna trend lower to this weekly maybe. NQ's going lower. Dow fell short from that supply level that we just wanted to check out. Yeah, look at this, just going lower. So we're gonna call it a cash day. It's 10:42. All right, check this out. This was one of the levels I was looking to sell from today. So we had the M5, M15, M1 level of supply in Confluence. Looking like a super clean trade, right? We had the previous country candle right here on the M5, big drop to the downside. All we needed was a push back to the upside, and then we could have taken shorts from here. Now, we obviously never got the push back to that level. You could see we stopped right about here, went lower, came here, went lower again. So overall, our analysis was correct. We wanted shorts, and shorts would have played out. We just never got that push to the level we needed. But this was definitely a good setup right here. 3 time frames in Confluence, price was looking good, stuff like that. And like I said, this would have played out, but this is the thing I wanted to show you guys. So look at this weekly level of demand right here. On Sunday, I went ahead and told the team that this is going to be a main target. This is a level that's most likely going to be hit. And that's exactly what happened. You can see it got hit today, which honestly, I wasn't thinking it was going to get hit maybe today, but I figured it was definitely going to be a main target for this week. So as you can see from the last clips, I did not take any trades today. We showed up, we marked our levels, waited for it to possibly hit that level, but it never did. So deleted the limit order and went on with their day. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and answer just a few quick questions. Honestly, that was asked on my Instagram, and then we'll probably end the video there, I'm thinking, and then I'm going to try to get this edited tonight and hopefully posted tomorrow. The first question is, would I change strategies? The answer is no. For as long as this strategy is working, I am not going to be switching strategies. There's no reason for me to switch if this is working. I see results, the members in my group see results, so there's no reason to change. I've used this strategy for plenty of time. I've gathered enough data to know that it works long term for me. Honestly, I get payouts with it. That's what matters, to be honest. My members see results, they've gotten funded, received payouts. That's what matters. If we're getting results from it, I'm not switching up on anything. And that's a big reason why a lot of beginner traders just fail over and over again, is because they strategy hop. Find a strategy, use it for plenty of time to where you can gather enough data to really see if it works long term, and then go from there. If you gave it enough time and it doesn't work, then switch to maybe a new strategy. But you have to give it enough time. Don't go 1, 2, 3 weeks trying a new strategy and you don't get these crazy results, so you try a new one. That's not realistic. You need to give it enough time. I've been trading for quite a few years now, and I've only used 2 strategies: support and resistance and supply and demand. Very similar, but I just had to make that minor tweak and use supply and demand, and that's what's been working for me. But do not strategy hop. The second question is the group good for beginners? The group's good for anyone. Beginner, intermediate, expert, whatever it may be, the group is good for whoever. A lot of beginners do benefit from it. They come into the group not knowing much about trading, not knowing much about my strategy, just besides the little clips they see online. They learn it, and a lot of the members that have come in have seen results from it. They either get funded, they get payouts, or they're at least getting knowledge from other places, right? Because I'm not just trying to have signal bots or anything. I actually teach you guys. Monday through Friday, I'm live trading. We're chopping it up, talking about different stuff. Saturday, I'm doing an educational call. Sunday, I'm doing a market review. So like I mentioned, I don't want my members just to be signal bots. I want them to become self-sufficient traders that actually know the strategy, that actually know what to look for, that can get their psychology down, and we can all still be learning together, bettering ourselves. It's just one community that is a bunch of traders on the come up. So yes, it's good for beginners. It's literally good for anyone. If you want to join, click the link in my bio or click the link in the description, and I will see you guys in the Discord. The next question is, did I ever think about quitting trading? There was times in my journey where I was definitely questioning if this is going to work out. And I did think about quitting sometimes, man. Like I was just losing money, or I was just blowing accounts, whatever it may be. I just wasn't seeing results, right? For probably a lot longer than some of you guys, to be honest. And one day, I finally just started dialing in, journaling, figuring out what I was doing right, what I was doing wrong, what my best days are, what my worst days are, and just gathering a whole bunch of data on the strategy, myself, everything, right? And from that point forward, I started getting slowly more results. But that is because I was taking it more serious, gathering data on myself, my strategy, everything, right? I wanted to know everything. And when I started seeing what I was doing right, I was sticking to that. When I seen what I was doing wrong, I was figuring out how I could tweak that to get better results. And that is honestly how I became a better trader, and how I got out of that mindset of wanting to quit trading, because I really seen the upside potential to trading, right? I seen the freedom it can give you. I seen the money it could give you. I just had to get to that point where I knew exactly what I was doing. So yes, I thought about quitting, but I literally never gave up because I loved trading so much. I loved the journey, and that is definitely important when it comes to becoming a profitable trader. You have to love the journey. If you do not love the journey, you're probably never going to be profitable, and you're going to be one of those people that quit. It's going to be hard. You're going to think about quitting, but if you really love the journey, if you really have the vision, you're not going to give up. The other question is, do I like the new place I moved to? I like it. I mean, I moved in here Saturdays and it's Monday, so I haven't been here long at all, but I like it. It's definitely a little bit of a change for me. Nicer area for sure, but I definitely like it. I have my office, as you can see behind me. I got the desk, the monitors, all that. So it's coming along slowly. I got a box and stuff over there. I want to get like a little couch that pulls out into a bed for like guests, or if I'm just chilling in here and I want to crash in here, to be honest. I got a TV right there that I need to hang up on the wall. I just got to buy the mount for it and stuff. It's pretty simple. It's nothing too crazy, but I like having my own space, my own office, stuff like that. I have like a neon "The world is yours" sign that I want to hang right above my desk. If you guys don't know, I love Scarface ever since I was literally like a kid, as far as I can remember back, like before I was even probably like 10, 8 years old, whatever. I've always loved Scarface. So I have that sign I want to hang up there. I have a few other little Scarface things I'm probably going to put around the room as well. But yeah, just going to decorate it. Got a whiteboard. As you guys seen earlier in the video, I think I talked about it. I want to put the whiteboard there. I'm excited to see what it's going to be looking like maybe just in a few weeks when I finally get settled in and stuff. But this is going to be the new TCU Trading Lab headquarters, at least right now. We went 4-0 last week, ended the week up like 6 RR, 6%, however you want to look at it, but it was a great week. Now this week, it's only Monday. We did not place a trade today, but I think it's going to be another great week. At least hopefully, but I think it's going to be another great week. The group's growing. I have some people in there that are genuinely wanting to learn, which is like my favorite. I have people seeing results. Some people just actually got funded for the first time. So I love to see that. Being able to help people is just one of the best feelings, and seeing my members get better results, new results for them is just one of the best feelings. So we're going to keep on pushing, keep on striving. I got some improvements to the Discord that's coming soon. So you guys seen a little sneak peek of the office, a little bit of the living room, but I'm not going to show you guys too much right now because it is just a little bit of a mess since we just moved in here. But you guys are going to see plenty of it in my future vlogs and stuff like that. I'm chilling. As you can see, got the hoodie on. Now I got to start editing this video and doing a few other things. It is currently 9:10 at night, so it's probably going to be a little bit of a late night for me. But everyone, this is the end of the video. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, you can follow me at OAlexZ. Again, if you want to join the Discord and trade live with me, click the link in the description or click the link in the bio. I will see you guys in the next video.